Okay, everyone, I really hate it when kids mess with fire alarms in schools. I really hate that. Hopefully, this coming school year, no one pulls the fire alarm in my school just like last year. I don't want that to happen. But unfortunately, during my entire time I was in school, there were some kids that did pull the fire alarm because they didn't know how bad it was, so they pulled the alarm for fun and got into big trouble for doing that. It is crazy that I would go to a school where kids would pull the fire alarm just to get out of class. In fact, I went to a whole slew of schools where this would happen. In my elementary school, students would pull the alarm just to get out of class. Luckily, in my middle school, this didn't happen, but in my high school, it did. I am sick and tired of this fire alarm craziness going on in my schools. I hope that pole station that was pulled 2 months ago in the front entrance on the side door in my high school gets a stopper cover with a built-in alarm over it, so that won't happen again. Stop messing with fire alarms in schools because these are life safety devices. These are not toys. If you keep doing that, then you will get kicked out of school, suspension, expulsion. Kids won't have an education if they mess with the fire alarm at school. So never ever mess with the fire alarm at school or in any public building. Only pull it if there's a fire or if you have permission. If you have your own fire alarm system at home, it is okay to pull it, but never ever for fun. Or to get out of class, or for a prank, or you think it's funny, or to scare people, or to skip a big test. No. This is very serious equipment that should never ever be messed with. Only pull it if there is a fire, or if you have authorization, or if you have your own device at home, but not for fun or anything like that. Take this very seriously. Because I don't want to see any of my classmates in jail because they didn't take my words seriously. Bye.